Hello friends, IPM Institute of Pharmaceutical Management has developed several crash courses. I am talking on one of the courses named as CEP Submission and Approval. So what is CEP? The full form is Certificate of Suitability to Monographs of European Pharmacopoeia. So essentially, this approval, CEP approval, is given to those APIs, excipients, or herbal substances, as well as TSA risk substances, which are listed in European Pharmacopoeia. Okay, so CEP is given to those molecules or substances which are there in European Pharmacopoeia. Simple. And CEP is essential to enter European market. Okay, and this approval is accepted globally. Indian manufacturers definitely prefer this option, and the reason is it creates huge business and of course huge revenue. So, and if you see the figures, India is holding a second position in getting CEPs approved. Isn't it a great number? That is the reason you, as Indian, you need to know how CEP filing is done, because you will be getting job in one of those companies where CEP business is bigger. So what will you learn here? Number one, introduction to CEP, how the submission and approval process is. So what all the documents required, how is the review process, how is approval awarded, and the CEP certification format, contents. Not only that, another point while getting approval is inspection. So how inspection is conducted by EDQM, and if you fail to comply with GMP requirements or regulatory requirements, then how the company would get suspension or withdrawal or closure. So these things would be discussed, and additionally, whenever you want to make changes in the contents of CEP dossier, then how to address them and how to get approval on the changes, that would be part of this course. So this course, whenever you are going for any interview, the contents would help you to face the interview successfully. So even if you are in regulatory affairs department itself and you will join this course, you will certainly build up a confidence to face the interview successfully. So this course discusses the contents in a simple manner and it is very easy to understand. All pharmacy graduates or postgraduates, science graduates and postgraduates, and even PhDs or MBAs. Working professionals can also join this program who are from pharma or biotech industry. People from technical departments or from commercial departments like business development, sales, marketing, they also can add up to their knowledge because it is essential to know how CEP is awarded. And of course, those who want to enhance their knowledge, they also can enroll for this crash course. The duration is around 4 hours and the access to this video will be given for 1 month. So friends, I request you to really look at it and take a decision to join IPM courses. Sorry. This is a link which will help you to look at additional crash courses. And if you have any query on this, you can call us on these numbers, or you can write to us at infopharmainstitute@gmail.com. Friends, IPM is known for regulatory affairs courses. So I wish you good luck for taking the decision of joining IPM courses. Thank you for your kind attention.